So this is similar to a problem we've already tackled in this class. They're just looking at a piecewise function. You could do this without the number table too. Yeah, so the limit, they say it right down here, limit as x approaches -5. Oh, I guess this is a little different. Limit approaches x equals -5. This little thing in the superscript position, it's a minus sign. It's really faint, but that's a minus sign. So that means you approach the limit from the left. That's some calculus notation. So that means you're looking at this part of the piecewise function, right? You're approaching from the left, so you're thinking about numbers that are infinitely smaller than -5. That's not proper. Not a proper way to explain it, but numbers that are infinitely close but a little bit smaller than -5. So that's what's going on here. -5.0001 is really close, but it's a little bit to the left of -5 on the number line. So that limit, we can see it's getting infinitely close to 75. Limit approaches -5 from the right. So that means a number slightly to the right of -5. So in a number line, careful with negatives, it's kind of reverse. -4.9999. That's infinitely close to negative. That's getting infinitely close to -5, just a little bit to the right. And so you can see the y values are getting infinitely close to -20. This is the same thing. Okay, they give you a graph too. As x approaches 4 from the left. Yeah, okay, so this is different. X approaches 4 from the left. Here's x equals 4. Let's see what happens to the y values as we come towards 4 from the left side. So y value -3, going up to -2, -1, y value 0, y value 1, y value 2. We've got a y value that gets infinitely close to 3 coming from the left side. And now what are the y values? What are the function values? What are the y values as x approaches 4 just coming from the right side? So here's the function over on the right side. We got a y value of -4, up to -3, up to -2, and then back down to -3. So as you get closer and closer to 4, coming from the right side, you get something different. You get infinitely close to -3. Wait, why did I type 3 here? I hope I wasn't saying 3. As you approach 4 from the left, -1, 0. Oh no, that is +3. I thought it was the same. Okay, those are different. 3 and -3. Yeah, because I knew from the graph those are definitely different limits. Maybe just one more of these real quick. As you approach -3 from the left, that's what the minus sign says in the superscript. So that's this over here. We get infinitely close to -10. As you approach -3 from the right side, you get infinitely close to 27, -27. So you'd say the limit does not exist. You'd say Lindsay Lohan, right? The limit does not exist as you approach -3 because it's different from both sides.